Usually in mainstream conventional dating, we're finding out what we don't have in common so we can get rid of them. And that feels bad. It feels bad to look for here's the weird thing about you, I don't want to see you anymore. Basically in conventional dating, we're hanging out with a person until we can say no, unless we hit the jackpot. But otherwise, the rest of the people we meet along the way, we're basically looking for what doesn't work. And just imagine if this was a date that you just had with this person, and you just had a lovely time finding out what you had in common. And you can go home and you're not going to marry this person, but you had a good time. You had a good time. Most people find dating horrible. They don't like the people they meet. They don't take their spirituality with them. They're just there not liking the other person and looking, well, we don't have watches anymore, looking at their phone to see when they can get away. Okay? So this is a little experiment here of you just had a date with a practice partner. You just found out what you have in common and it felt good. Yeah? Can you imagine yourself doing this on a date? It would be kind of radical for some people. Okay,